So I just did a video about where to buy auto parts, or at least my top favorite places. Um, I'm going to do an opposite video where not to buy auto parts from. If you can help it, do not buy auto parts from your local dealer. They just mark up the parts, and if you really think about it, your vehicle is comprised of parts made by several manufacturers that have just been contracted, so to speak, to design and make a part for said, you know, dealership brand. Um, so it's best that you can call the dealer or use their online website, put your VIN number in there, and find the original part number for the parts that you're looking for, and cross-reference that and search by the part number. And most times you're going to find that same OEM part made by Denso or NGK, just to name a few. You'll find them on Rock Auto for way less. You'll find them on summitracing.com for way less. You might even find it on eBay for way less. But stay away from the dealer if you can help it. Oftentimes they're the reasons why people give their cars up, because the cost of the parts plus the labor doesn't make financial sense for some people. The second spot I probably would not go and buy parts from would be places like Detroit Axle. They don't seem to make quality parts. They do make affordable parts, but they don't seem to last. I had a 2013 Ford Edge Sport, and I bought rear wheel bearings and replaced them both at the same time, and I actually needed to replace them both about 6 months later. And they do have so-called lifetime warranty, but the warranty process is kind of a pain because you have to remove the parts and then send them in before they ship you your replacement. So if you're in a bind, which you usually are with wheel bearings, that is, it makes it impossible to really go through a warranty claim with them. So I would stay away from Detroit Axle. Amazon's going to be the last one. I know on my other video I did have Amazon as a possible option when you are looking for parts, but if you can not buy parts off Amazon, I would strongly recommend it. Do not buy parts that require a significant amount of labor to replace. If you are going to go with them, buy things like lug nuts, light bulbs, headlights, trim pieces, things like that. But don't go buy timing chain kits, alternators, water pumps, anything for the drivetrain, powertrain, lifters and camshaft sprockets and cam phasers, things that are critical and vital to the performance of the engine. I've seen time and time again where people have just bought these parts because they're cheap, and then they've spent thousands of dollars on labor only to see that those parts don't hold up. So do not buy from Amazon. Do not buy critical engine parts from Amazon or eBay. And lastly, as much as I want to shout out my local people in my area, if you can, do not buy parts from Facebook Marketplace unless the seller can show you a receipt from the purchase or it's a product that hasn't even been used. But don't buy used parts from the seller. 9 times out of 10, you are going to be scammed is the word I was going to use, but deceived. They're going to tell you, they're going to downsell or downplay the quality of the part. Oh, the mileage is unknown. Oh, I only had it on my truck for X number of miles and it's only been used for 6 months. It's just not worth the hassle. Again, unless somebody can show you how very little wear an item has on it. But parts like suspension, I probably would stay away from that. Thanks for watching.